Hey guys, how's it going? Sometimes it becomes difficult to take care of your mixed skin. The combination of dry skin and oily skin is called mixed skin. You have to buy different products to take care of your skin, hoping that the products will nurture your skin and make it healthy. Mixed skin is a type of skin where some of the parts of your face like nose, forehead remains oily and other parts remain dry. And it becomes hard to take care of mixed skin in summer because a part of you will want to reduce the sweating and oiliness and the other part of you will want to moisturize your skin because of the dryness. To maintain this type of skin, the products you buy may sometimes not work. These types of products are unavailable too. That's why I'm going to show you some amazing home remedies to maintain a mixed skin which will prevent all the problems as well as keep your skin cool. So if you have a mixed skin, you may try these 5 home remedies to keep your face clean and healthy. To buy any skincare product, jewelry, skin and hair care product, visit our website beautynovel.com and here you can buy any product you may need. First remedy. Honey, yogurt and rose water pack. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, yogurt and rose water and apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash off with normal water. The honey and yogurt are responsible to give a cooling effect on your skin. This fights with the dryness of your skin and maintains the moisture of your face. Rose water works to balance the excess oil and gives your face a lively and fresh look. This pack will also save you from sunburn. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Second remedy. Almond and oats face pack. Soak 10 almonds in water at night and grind it in the morning. Add 1 tablespoon oat, honey and yogurt. Apply this to your skin and wash off after 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash off. The oats will extract the excess amount of oil and almonds will give you nourish your dry skin. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Third remedy. Papaya and banana pack. Smash banana and papaya together. You may add some milk or honey to it, apply to your face and let it dry. Then wash your face with water. You will notice how fresh your face looks. This pack is all-in-one pack which takes the excess oil and also moisturizes your face. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Fourth remedy. Multani soil face pack. It is one of the most common ingredients to take care of your face. You can make a Multani face pack by mixing rose water to it. Apply it on your face and let it dry and wash off. The Multani soil works to take the excess dirt and oil out of your face and rose water moisturizes your skin. This pack will make your skin feel fresh and lively. Fifth remedy. Cucumber face pack. Paste half of a cucumber and mix 1 tablespoon of honey or milk to it. Apply to your face and let it dry. After it dries, wash off. You can keep 2 pieces of cucumber on your eyes to prevent dark circles. If you are still not getting any improvement by using these 5 remedies, then do check the description down below and watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from the beautynovel.com and use it. These 5 remedies are believed to be some of the best home remedies for skincare. You have to remember that not every ingredient suits every skin type, so you must be careful about choosing them. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below and subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel to get more of such videos. And don't forget to watch our product review video. Let us know what kind of video you want next. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.